So if you're trying to get even 1% better each day, this is a part of that 1%. This is 1% better improvement that you can literally put on your face today and have better sleep tonight. Wake up tomorrow restful, come back, comment on the section below and be like, damn, you were right. I slept better, didn't wake up, and I got to sleep faster. Try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. I love these things. I'll put the links that I use for working out in the day below, and I'll put that lavender type that I use to get comfy on my night of sleep down below as well.